princesa, study at Subuyo Pio. Campus of Puerto Princesa, a love singing song, even singing won't love me. Watching YouTube, one of my hobby, I like to explore things too. Going somewhere and travel, I love seafood, still loves to do cooking. I love also baking and this money making my own recipes and adapted to others. Hindi magaling sa science pero ito ang gusto. Aking susubukan wag lang bigyan ng 5 dahil pa gusto ko pagsisikapan ko. Good morning ma'am, hoping you hear me and see me, hoping you'd understand what I say. Medyo makulit ako, kaya ngayon pa lang I'm sorry. My middle name is Benito and my name is JP. We are only 7 in our little family. And my 4 sisters and my only one and only one son. They are my life, my strength and inspiration. Studying bachelor of secondary education, I am taking science major. I really wanted to graduate and make my parents proud of me. So I am just a simple boy who has big dreams and know how to love and care. I might be strong, nights and life, but I know God will always there for me to guide